Hello, I am Subramani here from Civil Contractors in Bangalore. I have given a lot of videos about constructions. This videos again we have to brief about how is the construction will be taken place stage by stage, how you need to choose the contractors, and what is the payment, estimation cost affected, how many floors you wanted to go for a construction, what is your eligible of the loan, what is from the down payments from the pocket you have to spend across. Keeping all that, this video will be helpful clients how you want to plan according to your site and the floor wise everything. Here is first, once you have 30 by 40 site anywhere in Bangalore, you have to choose first what is the idea number one. The ideas number one, some clients wanted to go for just a duplex house only for owner stay with a car parking and steps will be given, car parking, two-wheeler parking in the ground floor, and again one small gardens can be given as per the setback, all that compound walls, gate. According to that we can plan and we can give you however we want it. And in the down ground floor you can get big halls, hall and dining hall, kitchen, one toilet. In case if you want it in the down, you can put one bedroom. Why I am saying this? If you want your property, your house need to look very huge, bigger in the ground floor, so we need to give open spaces more. Why? Because always you are using ground floor is more. A hall is all combined, people gathering in the hall area, so that halls should be beautiful looks and the open kitchen areas, all that. When it comes in the top, the first floor, there you can have big bathrooms and big bedrooms, all that. 3 bedrooms you can make it there, and the staircase room in the top again for a cloth, drying a cloth there, washable area, all that can keep it. In the first floor and the ground floor, on first floor we are talking about with the beautiful in the roadside. If you have a very big road or anything, we can have a beautiful balconies outside which is open. In the light also we can bring it into natural lights. All that can be possible in the 2000 square feet completely construction area, 2000 to 2200, depends on the setback what are we going to leave there. If you ask us what will be the cost affected for the duplex house, as per this duplex house completely handovering the key, apart from the government charges like a plan approval if you want it, or any road cuttings are involved there, temporary meters, all that will be cost you extra. Roughly 42 lakhs to 44 lakh will be package where we are doing it. It will be more than the cost you, but we wanted to bring it to you as a package. Whereas since we do a lot of constructions in Bangalore, all that, so we wanted to work it out. We are into the both a segment. We are in the contract segment and the builder segment also. So keeping all in that in the mind, we need to give it to the client in a beautifully, which their own dream house. This prices which I am quoting, it's excluding woodwork. If you woodwork you need it, that you need to be having a little extra. Once again, also from 2005 we are into loan come constructions. Loan come construction, in sense we used to give loan arrangements to the client. We arrange from the Nationalist Bank or MNC Bank or anywhere. We'll give you even B Khata loans, Panchayati, E Khata loan. We are a very specialist into that. Keeping all in this mind, and even the paperwork and the plan approval you needed, or any tax paid is not paid by the longer time, even Khata documents are not taken the copy from the government or BBMP. This is all we will help you anywhere in Bangalore or Panchayati or E-Khatas or anything. Even site plus construction also we can do it. Site loan. First site loan can be registered in your name. After that immediately we can apply the loan, and also construction loan will next after the immediate registrations your construction loan will start. This is all will be arranged by us. Please contact us. So in case if you want it, even owner staying in the ground and first floor duplex house and second and third floor you want to have a rented property also, you can let us know. We can definitely give you the pricing in terms of the how much floors you want to go for a constructions. Depends on the area. Thank you so much.